Good morning, pretty saint. Good morning, baby. How are you this morning? Hi, we're up way too early for a Sunday. What are you doing up so early? Huh? Are you going to talk to me or you just want to sit there looking around? What are you doing? What are you doing? What? No. Come here. Come here. What you doing? You come here. You get my lap. You can get my lap. You're not getting on my shoulder. Come here. Psst. Come here. Good morning. Hey, cutie. Hey, baby. Come here. Good morning. You're not getting on my shoulder right now. No. You mad about it? Are you leaving? That's it? That's just wrong.